Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a massage gun right here, as you can see. So for this one in particular, it actually comes in multiple massage heads right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'll show you guys what it actually looks like inside as well. But this is basically what the massage gun should look like right here. If we turn on this side right here, you can see there's some specs about the product itself as well right here. But first thing first, let's actually open up the product to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, you guys can see that right there. Let's keep opening it up. So next thing you can see inside right here is the actual product itself inside a case. So let's take that out as well. Alright, so this is basically what the case looks like right here. I definitely love the design of the actual product itself. The material right here definitely feels really nice. Very smooth. So this one actually comes with a little handle right here, and it comes with 2 zippers, so that way it's actually open up both ways. But let's open up the inside to show you guys what's included inside. So they pretty much provide you guys a user manual right here to teach you guys how to use the product itself. And then right underneath that, you guys can see everything else right here. Let me take out the wrapper and give you guys a better view of it. Alright, so you can see that once I take out the wrapper, this is basically what it looks like right here. So that's everything that's included right here. So right here you can see they provide you guys the cable that you're going to use to charge up the product. And then they provide you guys 6 different massage heads. So I'm going to take out each one to show you guys what it actually looks like. So here is the first one right here. Here is the second one. Here is the third one. Here's the fourth one. Here's the fifth one. And here's the last one right here, which is number 6. And that is basically all the massage head that's included in the actual package itself. Now let me show you guys the actual massage gun itself. Alright, so when you take a look at the actual massage gun right here, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. You can definitely see the design of the actual product itself is very beautiful. Everything about it is like well thought out and made really nicely. And this part here is really cool as well. And not only is this part cool, but also give you guys that very nice kind of grip to it. So that way you actually use the product itself, you definitely get a good grip. And also feels really nice as well. And also right here, if you can see, it looks really nice as well. And then right here is basically the display screen on the actual product itself. And then right here is basically what the bottom part looks like right here. So you're going to plug in the cable to charge up right here. And this is basically the switch for you guys to activate it. So once you guys activate right here, you guys can see that you guys want to activate it here as well. But that is basically what the screen looks like right here. If you guys take a look at the middle part right there of the display screen right here, that's basically like a record display. So every time you guys hit like a different milestone, it actually has a voice to let you guys know like hooray, yay, you made it, or something like that. And I believe the mark for that is around like 5,000 or something like that. So once you guys hit 5,000 on here, it actually will give you guys like a congratulations voice or something. And that's really cool as well, because that kind of like motivates you to keep using the product itself if you guys forget to use it or you guys get lazy to use it. When you guys take a look at the display screen here, you can see there's 4 bars. I believe that's the battery life right there. Let you guys know where the battery life is. And basically the way how you guys activate the product itself is by pressing this plus right here. You guys can see. So there's a bar on top to show you guys which one you're at. And then once you click again, it turns off. So like I mentioned, there is 6 different speed levels on the actual product itself. And then in terms of the battery life that's on the product itself, how long does it last? So you can get a maximum of 15 hours of usage on here on one full charge. And that is only if you guys use at the lowest speed level, which is speed level 1. If you guys use at speed level 6, then you mostly will not get that 15 hours. And you'll probably get somewhere close to like 8 hours. Which is still pretty good compared to a lot of other massage guns out there in the market today. But definitely the overall product itself looks amazing and feels amazing. It definitely has that craftsman spirit like they mentioned right here. Like everything about the product itself is such a high quality product. It feels really nice. Like, I don't think I actually tested any massage gun that's like this high quality with this kind of look to it, that is also white as well and also has this kind of gray color, which is super high quality. Now let me actually plug in the cable to show you guys how to know when it's charging and how to charge it first, and then we're going to test that on ourselves and also do a DB test as well. Alright, so I have the cable all plugged in right here. So if I plug it into right here in the bottom part, and if I take a look at the display screen right there, that is basically how you guys know when it's charging. So right now it's half charged. So once it's fully charged, all 4 lights should light up green, and that is basically how you guys know when it's fully charged. And if you guys do end up having the product itself plugged in while it's off, it won't actually show you guys the battery life on here. So you do need to turn it on to see the battery life. You can see right there. But that is basically how you guys charge the product itself and how to know when it's charging. Now let's actually test out the DB and see how well that performs. So I'm just going to pick a random massage head right here and plug it in all the way. And then let's test it out. Alright, so I got my tester right here. Let's turn it on. So we'll try speed level 1 first. Alright, so that's speed level 1. If you can see how quiet it is, it's around like 41 to 45, which is not bad. Now let's turn on speed level 6. Alright, so this is speed level 6. Alright, so I can see that speed level 6 is definitely much more louder and much more powerful as well. It was around like 62. So that's definitely a huge difference from where it was on speed level 1, which is around like 40 something. And that's not a bad thing, because if it's really loud, that means it actually performs better and it's probably much stronger than like your speed level 1 and a lot stronger than a lot of other massage guns as well. So like for example, if you guys are using like a regular massage gun that's really weak or is really quiet, most likely those are not that strong for some people who want to be even more stronger to give you guys that like really deep percussion massage. So that's definitely really cool how they give you guys that option of how it could be really strong or really weak depending on your pain tolerance and everything else. But now let's test it out ourselves and see how well it works. So I'm going to try speed level 1 first. Alright, speed level 1. So see, my speed level 1 is okay. It's not that strong. And when you actually use it, you just want to put it against your body or whatever. You don't want to push it down. Because if I push it down like this, it's kind of weird and it doesn't perform as good. But now let me try it on speed level 6 and see how that feels. Alright, speed level 6. Yeah, so there's definitely a lot more control on speed level 6. It's definitely much more stronger as well. So I feel like if you guys can't like handle pain or whatever, then you probably don't want to do speed level 6 and work your way up to speed level 6. It definitely feels really powerful. So if you guys are like really sore or whatever, you guys can definitely use this to massage different part of your body to give you guys that really good like massage that you probably want or need. Obviously, if it's too strong, they just want to bring it down to like speed level 2 or speed level 3 based on your own preference. But I definitely love speed level 6 a lot. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we could unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that this massage gun in particular is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Everything about it is really cool that I keep talking about in terms of the design and the feel of using the product itself. Obviously, like I mentioned earlier, if you guys use it on speed level 1, there's not a lot of good control on there and it doesn't feel as good. But when you guys use the high speed level, which is speed level 6, there's a lot more control and actually feels a lot better when you guys are using it to massage different part of your body. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have needs one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.